Welcome. Today I want to introduce you to an impressive commercial vessel and give you a closer look at the opportunity behind it. When you first see a vessel of this scale, the size immediately gets your attention. But for a serious international buyer, there is much more to consider than appearance alone. You want to understand the vessel, its potential applications, its capabilities, and ultimately whether it could be suitable for your particular operation or project. That is why we like to begin with the bigger picture. A vessel such as this represents a major commercial asset. Depending on the buyer's requirements, vessels of this type may be considered for passenger operations, transportation projects, commercial marine services, or other suitable applications, subject of course to the vessel's specifications, certification, and the buyer's own requirements. Our aim is to make discovering opportunities like this much easier. Rather than simply showing you a listing filled with numbers, we want to take you on a visual journey. We want you to see the vessel, appreciate its scale, and then understand the technical information that has been provided by the supplier. For international buyers, this can be particularly useful. You may be thousands of miles away from the vessel, so good visual information combined with detailed supplier specifications can help you decide whether an opportunity deserves further investigation. Of course, beautiful footage is only the beginning. When you are considering an asset of this size, the technical information becomes extremely important. Dimensions, capacity, machinery, equipment, operating characteristics, and other specifications all need to be examined carefully. We don't want to guess those figures or change what has been provided. The technical information in this presentation is based on the specifications supplied for this vessel. Serious buyers should always verify the details directly with the supplier and request any additional documentation, inspections, certification, or information required before making a commercial decision. And that is also why we've made the next step straightforward. If this vessel interests you, you can use the direct supplier link provided with this presentation. From there, you can make your own inquiry, discuss current pricing and availability, request further specifications and documentation, and ask the supplier the questions that are important for your particular project. Our role is to help you discover the opportunity, see the bigger picture, and then connect you with the information you need to investigate it further. Now you've seen the vessel and heard the story behind what we're presenting. It is time to move away from the introduction and get into the serious technical details. For that, I am going to hand you over to our lead technical presenter. He'll take you through the specifications supplied for this vessel, including its dimensions, capacity, machinery, equipment, and the other important technical information available to us. And remember, if after reviewing those specifications you believe this vessel could be suitable for your requirements, you'll find the direct supplier link provided with this presentation, so you can continue your inquiry directly. Thank you for joining me. Now, let's take a closer look at the vessel. Over to our technical specialist.
Hello, I am Brooke, the lead technical presenter, and I am going to take you through the key technical specifications supplied for this vessel. Still passenger and transportation vessel built in 2024. The model is listed as RORO, and the vessel originates from Tianjin, China. Starting at the principal dimensions, the vessel has an overall length of 109 meters, 2,575 diameters, and a width of 23.60 meters. The hull material is steel, with the supplied specification listing a hull thickness of 10 millimeters. The vessel is designed for transportation and working applications, with transportation specifically identified as its primary application and feature. Moving to propulsion, the engine type is listed as pod drive, and the vessel uses diesel fuel. The supplied power specification is 2x1, 103 kilowatts. An additional engine specification of 200 horsepower is also provided in the supplier information. The vessel has a stated maximum speed of 12 knots. For carrying capability, the supplied load capacity is 400 tons. The endurance is listed at 100 nautical miles, giving prospective buyers another important figure when assessing the vessel against their intended operational requirements. Style is described by the supplier as professional, while the available logo and graphic design option is listed as painting. Packaging is described as customized. Supplier information also contains packaging and delivery fields. The selling unit is listed as a single item. The current listing shows a single volume of 0 cubic centimeters and a single gross weight of 0 kilograms. These appear exactly as supplied in the listing, so buyers should confirm applicable transportation and delivery arrangements directly with the supplier. The fuel tank specification is not provided in the information available to us, and no lead time figure has been included in the details supplied here. Those are therefore points that interested buyers should confirm directly with the supplier. To recap, we are looking at a 2024 steel passenger defense and transportation vessel with an overall length of 109 meters, a width of 23, 60 meters pod drag propulsion, diesel fuel, supplied power of 2 times 1, 103 kilowatts, a listed engine figure of 3, 200 horsepower, a maximum speed of 12 knots, a load capacity of 1, 400 tons, and an endurance of 100 nautical miles. Those are the key specifications provided for this vessel. If this vessel matches the requirements of your project, the next step is to review the complete supplier listing and make your own inquiries regarding current availability, pricing, certification, configuration, and any additional technical documentation you require. You can use the direct supplier link provided with this presentation to continue directly to the supplier. Thank you for watching by Keep S. Noi Thanks Patience. Supplier, thank you for watching, and I hope this technical overview has given you a clearer understanding of the vessel and its principal specifications.
以精准构建世界动脉，以匠心铸就海洋奇迹。
Introducing the 109M ROPAX vessel, a groundbreaking addition to the maritime fleet. Engineered for efficiency, safety, and passenger comfort, this state-of-the-art ROPAX ferry delivers exceptional performance across diverse sea conditions. Its optimized hull design ensures fuel efficiency while maintaining high-speed transit capabilities. Spacious decks accommodate both passengers and vehicles with seamless flow and intuitive layout. Advanced navigation systems, redundant safety protocols,